I'm going to be doing solving absolute value inequalities. This is part 2. So in this problem, I've got the absolute value of 6x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 14. So we're going to write it, again, two separate ways. When you see great or, remember you're going to use or. Okay, so great or. So separate it into 6x minus 4. Notice that the absolute value signs are gone. Is greater than 14, or 6x minus 4, flip the sign, is less than or equal to negative 14. Okay, so we need to flip the sign here and change this sign. All right, so now I'm just going to solve them like regular inequalities. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get the x by itself. I also need to, I'm sorry, that kind of messed up. I also need to divide the 6. So get x is greater than or equal to 3. I'm going to drop down the word or. And in this problem, same thing. I'm going to add the 4 to both sides. I get 6x is less than or equal to negative 10. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I get x is less than or equal to negative, you can simplify that by dividing by 2, so negative 5 over 3. Okay, so these are my two numbers that I have. Now let's graph this on a number line to see what we're dealing with. So I'm going to put, go from least to greatest. So over here it's going to be negative 5 over 3. And over here is going to be a positive 3. So these are both, this one over here is, this one right here is greater than or equal to. This one over here is less than or equal to. So both of these are going to be solid circles on my number line. Okay, so for x is greater than or equal to 3, I'm going to go to the right, because those are all the numbers greater than 3. And for x is less than negative 5 over 3, I'm going to go to the left, because those are all the numbers less than negative 5 over 3. So you see when we do this problem with or, the lines do not connect. So I cannot write it as one inequality together. So that is going to be my answer.